What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on UMA guys. So you guys probably know yesterday it did go for a major pump up in value. Right now over the week it is up 155%, but we all know most of the pump did come from yesterday, pumped up around 100%. So we're going to be looking at what is next for UMA today. It did hit a green candle, so we're going to be looking at, sorry, not a green candle, a red candle. So is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to pump back up? And we're going to be going through its prediction overall for the rest of the month of January. What can we expect? And over the coming months and overall in 2024, what is expected from UMA? And is it a crypto worth investing into right now? Is it too late, or should you wait for it to drop back down further? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of UMA, which is here in purple at $2.52. However, the crypto is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at just under $5, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. However, that also does mean that it is overvalued because it's trading way above the average value, but we'll get into that later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from UMA over the next 12 to 14 hours. Essentially, by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, in between that time, do expect red candles as well. It is likely to drop down below $5, potentially around to $4, $4.50, somewhere around this price range, before it slowly starts to gain value just over $5 by the end of the day today. So again, do expect it to be quite volatile with red and green candles, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side, but that is only for the next 12 to 14 hours. Let's move on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, we're looking a little bit skeptical here. We do have the blue line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for UMA? So an overall fluctuation in value is what is predicted. However, from the prediction and analysis that I have done, I am expecting an overall drop in value from UMA over the next 7 to 8 days. So essentially by the end of next week, I'm expecting the crypto to have dropped back down below $3.50. That is what I'm expecting it to be trading at. So do expect this crypto to hit more red candles over the coming days, as it is likely to drop further. Yes, it may hit the odd green day in between, but unfortunately guys, the overall outcome seems to once again be more on the negative side. So do expect more drops in value from this crypto over the next coming week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange now looking very bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours and days. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming 6 to 8 weeks. However, that is of course not realistic. So essentially by mid to late March, early April, I am expecting UMA to be hovering around the $5 mark guys. However, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, first of all, it needs to drop back down to around $2 over the coming week or two before it slowly starts to gain value up to around $5 by the end of March, early April. So again, it has to go for a price correction before it slowly starts to gain value. So this is my take on this crypto, guys. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the green zone. However, yesterday it did hit the dark green zone here, or blue zone, and then right now it is dropped back down into the green zone. Over the coming days, I'm expecting UMA to be dropping back down into the red zone. Reason for that is, as you guys can see, it literally broke out from the red zone straight up into the green and into the blue zone here without resisting at all. So due to the fact that I did not resist, it is more than likely going to drop back down into the red zone over the coming days and potentially slowly and steadily gain value up to the resistance target here, which is $3.89. It should resist at this target level here for a couple of days, break out into the green zone by late March, early April. Hover around this price range is where I'm expecting the crypto to be heading to over the next couple of weeks. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 150% in the last 24 hours, making it nearly $1 billion, guys. So it's currently at $954 million, and the trading volume is still going up as it's pumped up a little bit again over the last couple of hours. So we are seeing more and more people trading the crypto, both buyers and sellers, which is in return helping the value of UMA pump up even higher. As you guys can see, yesterday it did hit $6.40, took a little bit of a dip, and right now pumping again. So I am expecting it to drop back down and then slowly and steadily gain value. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on UMA, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. And also, if there are any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well, and I'll be sure to go through them and try my best to go through each and every comment and try and make a prediction or analysis video on those cryptocurrencies. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.